Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna explain to you what is passive and active voice. But before we begin, let me introduce myself first. My name is Putri Shunin Octaviana, and I'm gonna explain to you what is passive and active voice. Our agenda today, first the definition of passive and active voice, of course, and then the formula, simple present, present tense and past tense, and the example for each tense, and then the last one is practice. So what is an active voice? And in active voice, the subject performs the action of the verb. Jadi kayak subjek yang melakukan tindakan. Kalau di active voice, for example, the dog chased the cat. Jadi kayak anjing itu mengejar kucing. Berarti kan yang menjadi subjek itu anjing. Sedangkan objeknya itu kucing. Jadi yang melakukan tindakan ini adalah si subjek, yaitu si anjing. Nah, kalau passive voice ini adalah the subject received the action of the verb. Jadi kayak the cat was chased by the dog. Tetap yang melakukan tindakan adalah the dog, tapi si subjeknya ini yang menerima tindakan. Kalau tadi di active subject yang melakukan tindakan, kalau di passive subject yang menerima tindakan. Nah, langsung ke formula present tense. Number 1 is simple present tense. For active, the formula is subject plus verb 1 plus object. The teacher explained the lesson. Verb 1 plus s or es. And then the passive is subject plus to be, is or am or are plus verb 3 plus by plus object. The lesson is explained by the teacher. To be-nya is karena ini the teacher. Terus present continuous for active, subject plus to be plus verb ing. The teacher is explaining the lesson. For passive, formulanya subject plus to be plus being plus verb 3. The lesson is being explained by the teacher. Number 3 is present perfect. Aktifnya subject plus has or have plus verb 3. The teacher has explained the lesson. Pasifnya subject plus has or have plus been plus verb 3. The lesson has been explained by the teacher. Kita pakai has karena ini the teacher. Kalau kita pakai have itu misalkan kayak they have itu jamak pakainya have, tapi kalau plural itu pakainya has. Number 4, present perfect continuous. The formula of active is subject plus has or have plus been plus verb ing. The teacher has been explaining the lesson. Kalau pasifnya subject plus has or have plus been plus being plus verb 3 plus by plus object. The lesson has been being explained by the teacher. And then present future. Aktifnya itu subject plus will plus verb 1. The teacher will explain the lesson. Kalau pasifnya itu subject plus will, subject plus will be plus verb 3. The lesson will be explained by the teacher. And then present future perfect. Aktifnya itu subject plus will plus have plus verb 3. The teacher will have explained the lesson. Tapi pasifnya itu subject plus will plus have plus been plus verb 3. The lesson will have been explained by the teacher. And then we go to past tense. Number 1, simple past. Aktifnya formulanya itu subject plus verb 2 plus object. The teacher explained the lesson. Pasifnya itu subject plus was or were plus verb 3 plus by plus object. The lesson was explained by the teacher. Ini penggunaan was or were sama kayak has or have. Karena dia satu itu dia was. Kalau dia jamak dia pakai were. Tapi karena the teacher cuma satu gurunya jadi pakai was. And then number 2 is past continuous. The formula of active is subject plus was or were plus verb ing. The teacher was explaining the lesson. Kalau pasifnya itu subject plus was or were plus being plus verb 3 plus by plus object. The lesson was being explained by the teacher. And then number 3 past perfect. Buat aktifnya formulanya itu subject plus had plus verb 3. The teacher had explained the lesson. Kalau pasifnya subject plus had plus been plus verb 3 plus by plus object. The lesson had been explained by the teacher. And then past perfect continuous. Buat aktifnya itu subjeknya ada buat formulanya aktifnya itu ada subject plus had plus been plus verb ing. The teacher had been explaining the lesson. Kalau pasifnya itu ada subject plus has plus been being plus verb 3 plus by object. The example is the lesson had been being explained by the teacher. For passive, we use had subject plus had plus been plus being plus verb 3 plus by plus object. So the lesson had been being explained by the teacher. The last one is past future perfect, subject plus would have plus verb 3. Itu buat aktifnya. Jadi the teacher would have explained the lesson. Kalau pasifnya itu subject plus would have plus been plus verb 3 plus by plus subject. The lesson would have been explained by the teacher. And then future going to. Kalau aktifnya itu subject plus going to, subject plus to be plus going to plus verb 1. The teacher is going to explain the lesson. Pasifnya subject plus to be plus going to be plus verb 3. The lesson is going to be explained by the teacher. So that's it, the formula of passive and active voice. And then let's do exercise. Number 1. Change to passive. She had finished her homework before dinner. Number 2, the students are preparing their presentation. Before we check the real answer, don't forget to write down your answer in the comment. So number 1, the answer is her homework had been finished before dinner. Yang tadinya she sebagai subjek, di passive di jawabannya dia sebagai objek. Jadi tugas dia yang her homework menjadi subjek. Nah, yang tadinya had finished, had plus verb 3 berubah jadi had been finished, had been plus verb 3. Ada perubahan formula di situ. Nomor 2, the student are preparing their presentation. Is sama, the presentation is being prepared by the student. Yang tadinya subject plus to be plus verb ing berubah jadi subject plus to be plus being plus verb 3. Number 3, the chef is going to cook a special dish tonight. Number 4, they have cleaned the classroom. Number 5, the manager will announce the result tomorrow. Write down your answer. And the answer is number 3, a special dish is going to be cooked tonight by the chef. Number 4, they have cleaned the classroom. The classroom has been cleaned by them. Number 5, the manager will announce the result tomorrow. The answer is the result will be announced tomorrow by the manager. And that's it, exercise of passive and active voice. If you're still confused, you can ask me in the comment and I will answer your question. That's it for me. Kurang lebihnya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.